बैक टू माई चैनल। तो आज का वीडियो है मॉम्स एंड को विटामिन सी रेंज के बारे में। सो आई हैड अ प्रीटी रफ वीक। इट वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क, बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ रिकॉर्ड करना था एंड देर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ ऑफिस वर्क एज वेल. सो आई थॉट लेट्स गिव आवर स्किन सम रेस्ट and try out some skincare products. So as the name suggests, it is enriched with vitamin C and also this brightening properties, and they have launched a couple of products in this range. So we'll talk about the products, the packaging and everything. So the Moms & Co is toxin free, sulfate free, paraben free, mineral oil free, synthetic fragrance free, silicone free and harmful chemicals free. A lot of people swear by this brand, and I've used their age control night cream. It is really good night cream, but I like to use this during winters mostly, because summers it might get a little bit more heavy, but I prefer it during winter times because it really gives nice hydration raat ke time. I'm really excited to try their vitamin C range because her company is coming up with this vitamin C and everything. Seeing it from the Moms & Co, which is true to its claims, I'm really excited to see how it works. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I got this kit from the Moms & Co. The pouch, to be honest, is really good. This is available on their website. It's also available on Nykaa as well. I really like the pouch. It is like baby pink and a nice soft material, so it will be useful for storing your makeup as a nice travel pouch, like a makeup pouch and everything. So the pouch is really good. Now inside I have 4 products. So firstly, let's talk about the face wash. So let me quickly rip off the packaging of the face wash so that we can give it a try. So it comes in this tube like packaging. So it is 100 ml of product and it retails for 298 rupees. It is a vitamin C natural face wash with orange peel and pro vitamin B5. It removes impurities and brightens. This definitely smells like orange peel. I like the smell of that. So I'm quickly going to dampen my face. थोड़ा सा मैं उसको पानी से damp कर लूँगी and we'll try the face wash. I see some tiny little beads in this face wash. I think that is their orange peel, and the consistency is like a jelly, like a slimy jelly. It's not like a regular cream or anything. It's like a slime. I can definitely feel that beads in the face wash. It lathers pretty quickly and it has this orange smell to it. It literally smells like fresh oranges. बहुत ही अच्छा fragrance है. I think they don't use artificial fragrances as of my knowledge. So I think this is definitely the orange जो extract ये लोग use करते हैं उस चीज़ का होगा. And as you can see, it lathers pretty well and I can literally exfoliate with the beads. So ये 2-in-1 kind of a product जैसे use कर सकते हो, like an exfoliator and also like a face wash. The beads are really gentle, just like pulp, and doesn't harm the skin. So these are not like a walnut based or anything. So I'm quickly going to rinse this face wash and I will be right back. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, my face is nicely cleansed. I have a little bit of glow. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, my skin doesn't look like dry क्योंकि कुछ face washes literally अपना oil suck कर लेते हैं. It's not like that. It's pretty gentle. Now the best part is that you have orange peel extract in it, जिसकी वजह से your skin exfoliates and gives you this clean exfoliated finish. So इसके अंदर जो orange peels थे, I really like that to give that exfoliation, like a gentle exfoliation. You can obviously use it like every single day. If you want a gentle face wash, if you have a sensitive skin, I think it will work really well. But this is not a review, it is just a first impressions. अगर आप चाहते हो कि I use these products every single day and give you my thoughts, do let me know. I'll either create another video like a review or anything, or I'll definitely post it on my Instagram. So next we will try the toner. Now this is enriched with vitamin C and niacinamide. If you are not familiar, niacinamide is basically to even out your skin tone. If you have acne scars, if you have pigmentation like hyperpigmentation, it's really good to even out your skin tone. So I like that it has niacinamide in it. Vitamin C, जैसे कि हम सबको पता है, it is good for radiance, for giving that bright effect. And it also has green tea extract and aloe vera. That's really great to soothe and hydrate our skin. And it has 5 plant AHAs and witch hazel to exfoliate the skin and remove excess oil. So I'm really excited to give this a try. It is alcohol free, so I really like something which is alcohol free in toners. So I'm just going to rip the packaging off. So this is how the packaging is. It comes in this bottle, pretty standard for a toner. So you have a nice push button over here. It is 100 ml and this retails for $226. Let me read out its claims. Our alcohol-free natural daily face toner is a toxin-free combination of vitamin C, niacinamide, tea tree extract and 5 plant AHAs. It removes excess oils, tightens pores, even out skin tone and balances skin pH, leaving skin smooth and hydrated. Now, I don't have a cotton pad right now, but I have this microfiber cloth. It is a clean microfiber cloth, so I'm going to use it with this and just apply the toner all over my face. Again, I really like the smell of this. It smells like fresh oranges and it doesn't dry out my skin much. It is very light and it is very hydrating as well. Considering ये एक toner है, I don't feel it extremely drying or extremely, you know, crunching my skin. Now coming to the pores, I don't mind. My pores definitely don't look like open. They definitely look a little bit smaller, but again, I'll have to use this continuously to see if this gives me any further effect on my skin. इसके effects and results मुझे use करने पर ही पता चलेगा, but right off the bat I think it is really good. It is really gentle again, and also I definitely can see a nice hydration to my overall face. If you're anywhere you know, in a supermarket or something and you find this, एक बार इसको definitely smell करना. It smells like fresh oranges. I love the smell of this. So that's with the toner. So the next product that we have is natural vitamin C face cream. This claims that our natural vitamin C face cream enriched with vitamin C and ferulic acid. Ferulic acid is basically used for evening out your skin tone, give that brightening effect. So vitamin C and ferulic acid brightens and protects the skin from free radical damage, while squalene seals in moisture for softer and smoother skin. So if you guys don't know, squalene एक emollient है जिसकी वजह से your moisture gets locked in. It prevents fine lines. It gives that hydration to your skin and everything. So those are like the main ingredients in here. But we have a whole lot of ingredient list. Other than that, मैं description box में पूरे links डाल दूँगी. अगर आपको कुछ और जानकारी चाहिए, उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा. Now this particular product is 50 grams. And this retails for $6.99. I'm just going to take a little bit and just apply it evenly to my skin. Now that I have used the night cream from the Moms & Co, मैं बता सकती हूँ इसमें definitely बहुत ज़्यादा difference है. The night cream that I usually use is more thick. It is like a treatment. And this one, the face cream from their vitamin C range, it is very lightweight. It sinks right into my skin. It gives this instant glow, but बहुत ही lightweight है. I don't smell the fresh oranges thingy in this, but it's definitely a nice pleasant smell. And I see there is a lot of hydration like initially. I think it will be really good like for a day-to-day basis and all that great sorts. I'm not sure कि ये hydration कितने देर last करेगा, but as of now, I definitely think it is a really good one. According to me, I think ये all skin types के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा for oily, for dry and also for combinations, just because it doesn't make me oily mess or it doesn't make me like, you know, glowing, and it doesn't look drying as well. It definitely is hydrating and it is nicely balanced. So we'll be trying this out furthermore. So that is for the face cream. The last product that we have is a natural vitamin C face serum. Now this has vitamin C of 10% and ferulic acid of 0.5%. Now for the serum, it is 30 ml of product and retails for $5.95. It comes in this nice dropper packaging, very sturdy. Now the serum is not like extra runny, it has a little bit of stiffness to it. It is like an oil but also like a gel. Also एक और चीज़ जो मैं notice कर रही हूँ, my skin feels instantly moisturized. It's not completely settled into my skin. I can definitely feel there is a little residue of the serum on my face. But I think I'll have to give this थोड़े और minutes to completely soak in. It gives this really beautiful glow, guys, as if you have drank a full gallon of orange juice. It's that kind of a glow. I really like the finish. I mean, it's a serum, it's not a makeup or anything, but the hydration that it gives, I can feel it. I can see that my skin needed such kind of hydration as of now. So my skin definitely feels a very nice and plumped and nice glowing effect. So for me, I think the range is really good, especially for the dry skin people, but I think it will work really good for oily skin type and normal skin type as well. Currently Moms & Co के website पे they are at 15% off, so if you want to check them out, click on the link in the description box. आपको directly वो page पे लेके जाएगा जहाँ पे they sell these products. Other than that, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do hit like, share my video. Let me know if you are enjoying these kind of reviews, first impressions, even if it's a skincare or hair care item. We don't see a lot of videos on skincare and hair care first impressions, because first impression might not be the last impression. I'll continue using these products, and coming to skincare especially, first impression से ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता है, because you'll have to continue using this to know if they work or not. So I'll probably continue using these items, and we'll give a final rundown in a monthly favorites or a monthly review or something like that, or maybe on my Instagram I'll give a rundown of the products. So like I said, it's just a first impressions, and I really think it is a really good range of products based on my first impressions. So all the links will be mentioned in the description box, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys soon in my next one.